Normally, the doctors who were going to their practice and coming to the hospital, the internists, would not have let the hospitalists take over so quickly and give up a big portion of their revenue and practice. But in reality, what happened is the compensation for seeing people in the hospital were not that great compared to doing procedures or seeing high volumes of people in your office where there may be additional testing involved and additional sources of revenue. So it was a combination of it being very attractive to young new graduates in internal medicine or people who had been practicing for a while but were dissatisfied with outpatient primary care. But also, it was also a willingness on the internists who were acting like the hospitals to give it up because they found it often not satisfying in terms of compensation. Plus, there was a big hassle going back to your office, coming to the hospital, maybe going back to your office, and after your end of the day, start ending your day at the hospital, and then maybe starting your day at the hospital. So I think on some level, a lot of the internists who were taking care of people in the hospital were glad to give it up. Normally in medicine, you don't see a group of doctors who dominate a field easily walk away in 20 years and be replaced.